also known as Aaron, also known as EP. And you are watching EP TV. Today we are doing a install review for this company called Cheetah Beauty Hair. I decided to collaborate with them, so stay tuned for the rest of the video and you see how I install and all the details about the wig and this hair.
Oh, if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way, been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You can feel me. And I love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your future, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. We love you good. Just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. I love you good. Just wanna be your girl. I wonder. You gotta feel me. Yeah. I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your
Okay, so I wanted to talk about the lace space a little bit. It is a 13 by 4 supposedly. Right here, it doesn't go all the way to I should have shown you guys when I had the wig in my hand, but as you can see, like on the sides, it doesn't go all the way to 4 inches from the hairline, 4 inches back, but it goes 4 inches down the middle. So I guess this is my first time ever really dealing with the frontal, so I think that's a 13 by 4. I thought a 13 by 4 would have been same in diameter across the whole frontal. So it goes 4 inches to the middle, but it doesn't go 4 inches to the side. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that a little bit. But all I have here is some water in a spray bottle. The hair feels really soft. It's really soft. I am having some shedding. Curly hair is kind of expected from that. after I didn't put product in her, after I let her dry, after I let the product dry, she is a kinky, curly, deep wave. So I want to talk about pros and cons of this hair. It is a kinky texture hair, so it is a lot of maintenance. My tips are some curling cream and to soak the hair and then put product. But she's still very beautiful. The company is really great themselves. The hair is super soft. The hair texture is just different. It's so big and it's so kinky and curly. I just love it. Definitely cute. It's giving me big hair vibe. It's just, I just love this hair texture. The lace was kind of thick, but I'm not a pro at putting on frontals and doing installs. Yeah, I didn't do the other side of my head because I'm running out of time, but it came like plucked and styled, kinda like it had baby hairs and everything already on the unit. I definitely think that this unit is worth it. This curly hair is very wonderful. By the time I'm doing editing the video and coming back and doing my voiceover, I think I'll be able to give a better review as well.